Last-minute shoppers aren't a problem, they're an opportunity. These procrastinators thrive on urgency and crave simple, fast solutions. To win them over, focus on speed and convenience. Flash sales, bundled deals, gift cards, expedited shipping, and extended store hours are your ultimate tools. Digitally, this audience lives on urgency. Social media countdowns, last chance, email alerts, and website pop-ups that direct them straight to deals. In-store, create seamless experiences with buy online/pickup in-store, express checkout lanes, live demos, and even gift wrapping stations. Procrastinators are powerful, they're ready to buy fast. With empathy, urgency, and smart strategies, you can turn their late start into your holiday grand finale. Want help creating last-minute campaigns that convert procrastinators into loyal shoppers? Let's build your strategy today.